What is up, Night Slayer? Today we have to get a snack at 4 a.m. So let's get into it. Welcome. It's me. You're self-conscious. I am interrupting your sleep to say you are starving. You appear to be waking up due to your starvation. You honestly can't sleep in this condition, so I advise getting a late night snack. Just try to be sneaky about it, okay? Boy, oh boy, am I hungry. Okay. Objective, get a snack at 4 a.m. Why do we have light? Ooh, chips.
Yummy.
That was pretty easy. Yeah. Yeah, that wasn't that hard. Alright, bet. Now I can just go back to my room. Bet. What? Oh. No. I didn't wake you up, Dad. I could hear you opening and eating the chips. Oh, well. I was just ending. Chips. Yummy. Eat sword. Delicious. Please don't try this. You should all go out into the real world and go and try and eat a real sword. Oh, by the way, we have to get all the endings. Ooh! Bro, how long am I gonna be waiting here? Bro, I'm gonna be here for years. I'm so close. Yeah. Did I just die to Colgate? How did I die from eating toothpaste? Yeah, I died because I ate toothpaste. That makes sense. I think legally you have to say that Colgate doesn't kill you when you consume it. Don't sue me. Don't consume toothpaste in general. Okay, we have 2 endings. By the way, we have to get all of the endings. So, yeah, this is gonna be interesting. Okay. I'm gonna try and get 100. I just realized, why does the sink go through the wall? That's a very interesting feature. I wonder, if I take the chips, then I go outside. Then I eat the chips outside. Then I go back to bed. Does that work? Dad didn't wake up yet. My conscience is gonna be like, you're still hungry. Oh. Sleep. You successfully went to sleep. That's nice. So I need to get $100. Yes, I got $100. I can finally pick up the gun. Let's go. And I finally got, just kidding, the gun wasn't even real. No. What are you gonna? Ah. Okay. Wait, so it just actually kicked me out of the entire game. Oh, hey, how to make a good breakfast. 1, get egg. Number 2, cook egg on stove. 3, place cooked egg on plate. 4, place orange juice. 5, enjoy. Okay. And then it has a plate. And then a thing. So I guess I need to go get an egg from the store. Hi, welcome to a generic convenience store. We are open 24 hours. He talks way too much. Like, wait, why is it a Yoshi egg? I'm eating Yoshi? You didn't place anything? I'm trying to place it. Place item. You sure you want to buy this egg? It'll cost you $25 for an egg? $25 for an egg? Okay, I have to cook the egg. How do I cook the egg? Why isn't the egg cooking? Oh. Oh wait, I have to turn on the stove. Oh no. Oh no, I can't put the egg on. I can't put it on. I can't put the egg on. Stop the stove. Okay. I think that's good. I think it thinks it got cooked. So now I need orange juice. I'll make my own orange. I can't move. This is very annoying.
Good thing it's not at 3 a.m. That's when all the creepy stuff happens, right?
So where do I get the orange juice though? So where? I think I figured out where to get the orange juice. Yeah, the egg will be very overpriced. I learned from my mistake. I turn on the stove first. Then I put the egg on. Wait. Then I turn the stove on. And now I'm gonna go get the orange juice. I'll be right back. Wait, I just realized maybe I shouldn't leave a fire unattended. He fell. Oh no, he fell on his bicycle. Let me go see if anything's different with Dad's room. Steal his money. Alright, let's go back. Check on our egg. Our egg should be... Oh my god! Oh my god, my egg's on fire! What? My egg! It's on fire! Somebody help! It's on fire! The egg! Why is the flame getting worse? Ah! Help me! Help me, somebody, the egg is on fire! Help me, there's an egg on fire! Oh god, it's on fire! The whole kitchen! The whole kitchen is on fire! It's burning the orange! I'm dead! Nice, fire. Objective, get a snack. I feel like that's always my objective. There's a vending machine at the store. I want to see what that's all about. Does the money always look like this? I'm gonna stop talking because I'm probably gonna watch this footage over and it's gonna be smiles. Like it's gonna be always. It would have always been smile. Okay, so I need the eggs. All right. What? What happened? What is going on this night? Wait. Did I do something? Oh, I stole the eggs. I forgot to pay for the eggs. I forgot you had to pay stuff. I forgot you had to pay for stuff, sir. $15? Bro, this is like a $5 item. What do you mean $15? Well, I guess it's a good thing I got the $100. Okay, so there should be one more. Oh, maybe in this? Wait, so I'm not insane. So I was just going crazy because this one was always here, but it's upside down. So it's less than 99 cents. It's $66. So it's less than 99 cents. Less than 99 cents. I guess there might be one in my house. Maybe? Oh yeah, see, it's flashing. Was it flashing before? I don't think it was. Ah, it's just a vending machine. Let's go. It's gonna jump scare me. Why did I do that? It's gonna jump scare me now. Now how is a vending machine happy? That's annoying. What happens if I bring the chips to my room and then eat them? Oh, the vending machine is in my room now. Wait, I can interact with the, whoa. I'm gonna get jump scared. Hello? Oh, hello up there. Don't worry, I don't need saving or anything. What do you mean you don't need saving? You're in the sewers. Kinda like being here actually. What do you mean? Hey, while you're there, could you maybe send me stuff? More preferably sodas, 10 of them. Alright, only 2 more, and I guess we'll do whatever this manhole cover does. Alright, and the last cola, oh. What did I just... What was I feeding? What was... Explain to me what I was feeding. Take the cooked egg. Whoa. Yeah!
That was delicious.
That was delicious. Okay, it looks like I only need 2 more endings. I wonder what those 2 endings are, but I'm gonna take the money. And what I want to try is, what if I just eat orange juice and then go to sleep? Something bad has happened. Oh God! What is going on? Why is the moon Bloxy Cola? Are we under an invasion? I gotta go talk to the cashier about this. Usually I greet you, but honestly, we appear to be in quite a pickle. No, we appear to be quite in a soda can. And by that, I mean we're being flooded with soda. Are we? Oh, we are. I don't know how that happened. We can't drive anywhere safe in time, so it looks like the employee only walk-in freezer is our only option. Don't stay for too long. Come on. It's as cold as I remember. Yep, that's what a freezer is. Where are you going? Don't leave me here. So I don't know how long we have to stay here. Me either. Realistically speaking, we're gonna be here for a while. Yep, that's realistically speaking. That's real realistic. Yep. By the way, the freezer door gets locked once you get in. What do you mean? You mean we're stuck in here? That's... Why is there a table on the roof? Oh, he's dead. Why is there a table on the roof? I'm sure that flood has already reached the top of the store by now. A flood made of purely soda. How did that even happen? I don't know. This wasn't your fault, was it? No. No, how dare you accuse me of something? What was I feeding? Why is there a Nintendo Switch back here? Pretty good. Oh, I died. I'm not a really big orange juice fan. This is how you brush your teeth. What just happened? Am I dead? Oh. Hello, sir. Wait, you're here? Pretty sure. Welcome. That was quite a remarkable death. It was very unfortunate. I'm dead? Have you heard of the legend drinking orange juice and putting toothpaste in your mouth? It's supposedly very painful to your taste buds. Oh! Oh, it's at 0. Okay. So, he's out here. Can obviously shoplift. We already know that. Can I take this orb and throw it in the trash? I think that orb is always there. Oh, I can go in here. Very, very bad thing. We have all the endings. That's awesome. Wait. Well, yeah, that was Get a Snack at 4 a.m. If you enjoyed that and want more content like it, you should definitely like and subscribe.